Hello, welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. Today we are going to see one Olympiad problem. Given x square plus y square plus z square equal to 11, x over y plus y over x whole square plus y over z plus z over y whole square plus z over x plus x by z x over z whole square equal to 236 by 9 over 9. Find the value of 1 over x square plus 1 over y square plus 1 over z square. So as you are going to solve this problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. Thank you. So here more than 500 videos are uploaded. Go through them. Given x by y plus y by x whole square plus y by z plus z over y whole square plus z over x plus x over z whole square is equal to 236 over 9. Now if you write in expansion form, x square by y square plus y square by x square plus 2 y square over z square over y square plus 2 plus z square over x square plus x square over z square plus 2 is equal to 236 236 over 9. So here x square over y square over x square plus y square over z square over y square plus z square over x square plus x square over z square is equal to 236 by 9 minus 6. So here you have to do some adjustment. So here if you take x plus x square plus y square plus z square into 1 by x square plus 1 by y square plus 1 by z square plus 3 is equal to, okay, don't send this 6 this side, plus 6 right here only, is equal to 236 by 9. So if you expand, you'll get the same. If you expand, you'll get the same. So here x square by x square by x square plus x square by y square x square by z square y square by x square plus y square by y square by z square by x square plus z square by y square plus z square by z square. So here these two get cancelled, z square here y square get cancelled, here x square get cancelled, you'll get 3. That's why I wrote here 3. Out of 6, 1 you have taken inside 3, another 3 you wrote here. So here by taking this, if you substitute the values here, what you'll get here, x square y square z square is 11. 1 by x square plus 1 by y square plus 1 by z square is equal to 236 by 9 minus 3. So 1 by x square plus 1 by y square plus 1 by z square is equal to 236 minus 27 by 9 into 11. So 1 by x square plus 1 by y square plus 1 by z square is equal to, here you will get 9, here 0, here 2. 209 by 9 into 11. So here 11 will go in this 19 times. So the value is 19 by 9. 1 by x square by 1 by y square plus 1 by z square is equal to 19 by 9. So thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to friends. Once again, thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.